Hi, this is Tom Varsy, Military Embedded Systems. I'm here at AUSA 2018, Washington, D.C. I'm with Ben Sharfy, CEO at GMS. How are you, Ben?
Wonderful. Nice to see you again.
Great to see you again. So, GMS, of course, one of the top rugged server companies in the country. And Ben has a new love in his life, and he's going to tell us about the Apex. So Ben, tell us about this.
Hi, thank you. Basically, the Apex is a result of 40 years of engineering that I've been working with General Microsystems as a chief architect, and put all of our technologies and patent and IPs we've been able to collect into the one server, the ultimate server, hopefully the last server that the military will have to buy. Why? Because it is modular. You never have to throw anything away. You can upgrade any portion of it you want, and it's all done real time, on the fly, and hot swappable. So you don't have to throw the entire chassis away, the power supplies, the mechanics, and the drives, everything 2 to 3 years, just because the processor technology has been updated. So this product is what we call Apex. It has 6 removable sub-assemblies. You have the system I/O, which is a removable sub-assembly. The entire assembly can be removed and replaced and field upgraded. And then you have 96 terabyte of removable storage with encrypted RAID controller. So the entire RAID device and the drives can be removed simultaneously, or each drive can be plugged and unplugged individually. That makes it completely modular approach to the storage, and you can sanitize the system. And of course, all the power supplies are hot swappable and removable one at a time. This technology gives you the ability to upgrade the system indefinitely without throwing any portion of it away. Now, the heart of the system is really the core of the technology what GMS produces. Okay. So from the rear, as you're looking is in here, is the processor module. The processor module has 12 patents on this product. This is the entire motherboard what you will find in a server. It has 88 cores of processing power, a terabyte of RAM, OpenVPX architecture, fully sanitizable, removable drive, fiber Ethernet, USBs, and the entire product in here is about 2.2 pounds. That is equivalent to basically what you see in a 19-inch rack. This is the entire server. And then to give it additional expandability and upgradability, you have the system I/O in here, which gives you additional fiber and expansion to be able to add additional GPU power. So for doing deep learning product. Then one of the uniquest features of this system is this portion in here, which gives us the ability to remove 4 NVIDIA GPUs. These are standard commercial off-the-shelf PCI cards, VT100s that NVIDIA makes. So we have the ability to also remove all these 4 hot swappable, pluggable directly into the system. No other manufacturer in the world can do this. To top this, we also put the UPS inside. So all the uninterrupted power supply is in here, so for orderly shutdown. So you don't need additional box attached to it. This system currently replaces 17 U of space in the rack, all in a 2U server short rack. No one can do this. And the inside the box, basically there's not a single active component in here. So this box never has to be replaced. The box will result. So you can upgrade the processor, the memory, the drives, the NVIDIA technology, the GPUs, and the operating systems, all ever without having to replace the system. That's literally 40 years of my life I've put into this product to come to here.
That's why it's a love of your life.
It's a love of my life, and finally we're getting there.
Yeah. So if anybody wants, that was really, really great detailed information on video. So if anybody wants to read information about the Apex, where can they go to?
You go www.gms4sbc.com or gmsinc.com and look at the word Apex.
Yeah, go to that website. It's a good one.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.